Hi, I'm Jay, and this is the dynamic air cleaner. This particular one happens to be mounted on our demonstration unit, so it's behind this return air grill. Yours could be mounted under your furnace, inside of your furnace, in the ceiling, in the wall of your home. There are many places to mount them, but again, this one's inside this return air grill for our demonstration unit. Now, before we take this thing out to change the filter, the first thing you want to do is turn off the power. Be sure to turn the power off before performing any maintenance. Okay, let's take the air cleaner out. We need to unplug it. And now we're ready to change the filter media. It's important before ordering your filter media to know the size of your air cleaner. Now, there is a sticker inside of this thing that'll tell us what the part number is for the filter media. There's several stickers on here. One over here happens to say model P1000. That's just a series number for the air cleaner itself. It doesn't tell you what size it is. It's a series number, so don't let that confuse you. Now, if you look on the inside of this black strip here, you'll find the item that we're actually looking for. There's a sticker in here, and it says Media Pad Part Number, C as in Charlie, 3, P as in Paul, 2025. That's the actual part number of the filter media that you need for this thing. So you're going to look for that sticker to give you the actual part number for the filter media. If for some reason it's missing, there's some other things that we can do to figure out what the size is. So let's talk about that for a minute. If your white sticker on the inside is missing and it doesn't give you the filter part number or the unit size, the other thing you can do is measure the outside of the air cleaner. So what you do is you measure the black strip first. So the length of the black strip, that's the first dimension. Now on this particular one, it happens to be roughly 19.5. Going the other direction, it's 24.5. So this one is 19.5 by 24.5. Now, this particular air cleaner happens to be considered a 20 by 25 air cleaner. So it is made 1/2 inch smaller in each direction. So instead of it being 20 this way, it's 19.5. And instead of it being 25 this way, it's 24.5. So they've made it just a hair smaller so that it will fit inside of your grill to get around screws and other obstructions. Dynamic filter media should be replaced every 30 to 90 days, depending upon how clean or dirty your particular environment happens to be. Let's open this thing up and take out the media. Open the latches, hinge open the frame, dispose of the old filter media. Now, it's common for dust to collect on the screen on the outside of the air cleaner, so I like to get out a brush head on a vacuum cleaner and suction this dust off of here. So that's what we're going to do next. Now that we've vacuumed off the dust from the screens, let's go ahead and put a new filter media in. Open that up. Inside the box, you'll find 3 filter media. We're going to get it in there approximately in the center and close it back up. Okay, close our latches. Now it's ready to be reinstalled. Okay, now let's install the air cleaner. Be sure to plug it back in. That's all it takes.